What you see behind me is Cap Gates Arena. It's kind of quiet right now, but in a couple of hours, things will be very, very busy because tonight, we're gonna rodeo. Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome, and this is all about the MT and me. Welcome back to the MT and me. I'm here with my friend Abel Woodman. He's an old mascot of this community that I live in. We're in a place called Centennial Park downtown, waiting on a parade. And you're wondering, what's all this got to do with the MT? Actually, not much, but you see, this is Rodeo Week. And that means, being in media, I'm going to be pretty wrapped up promoting the rodeo rather than working on the MT. Ree is still going to try and get in and do some more work on the walls like she has been. I am going to share some of the rodeo experience with you, including this afternoon's parade, and then I'll take you to the action of the Crossit Riding Club's 73rd annual PRCA Rodeo. Hang on for one heck of an 8-second ride. The rodeo parade begins like all good parades do, with fire trucks. I'd like to point out that this is one of 5 regular parades that are held in our community every year. Everyone turns out, floats, bands, marchers, walkers, antique cars. You're even going to see a few actual Conestoga wagons in today's parade. It's just the way people of Crossit support the rodeo and lots of other community events. Let's watch. And that wraps up the rodeo parade today. Next thing is a city street sweeper coming up the street behind them. Now, for those of us who are providing rodeo coverage on the radio, it's a short drive to Cap Gates Arena to get set up for the night. You can see acres of horse trailers and trucks and RVs. We have contestants coming from all over North America for the top prize money in the Crossit Rodeo. Once we're on the air, we spend time visiting with rodeo contestants, riding club members, and the rodeo queens, just talking up the rodeo until it's time for the action to finally begin. It's grand entry time now for the Crossit Riding Club's 73rd annual PRCA Rodeo. And it's too loud to talk, so let's just watch.
This guy's showing you what the bullet's about. Get it! He's stout, he's fast. Steers spearing, you bet! Man, look at a rugby. Here, let's help out Anthony Thomas. Let's help out the champ of the world. Come on, everybody.
Every rodeo's got to have something for the kids. Watch the calf scramble.
inside, J.C. Flake to the heels of Wyoming. Don Imus and Imus in the morning. That was Wyatt's dad. Led him along in this rodeo career, this cowboy way of life. Oh my goodness! What? Southeastern Circuit Finals lady to start us off. Circuit before. Well, hit barrel's going to cost her 5 seconds in penalties in the field. I like this gray horse. Barrel 2 is good. One more left, and she is eastbound. Help her, help her, help her, everybody.
It's time to clown around a little bit.
The book called Countdown tonight. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Hop, skip, and that is all she wrote right there. Good night, Irene. Good night. So right now, 80 points is in the lead. Ty Wainwright with 80 points from section number 1. Come on, everybody, can you stop your feet, clap your hands, and let's help out the Wrangler National Finals Bucket Bull Rider. Come on, Chase. Oh, look at this ride. That guy's good, Crossin. That guy's real good. In Tula, Texas, he is the number 15 ranked man in all of professional rodeo right now. Oh, what are we gonna do? We got thumbs up. We got thumbs up for JB Mooney, qualified ride. We got a tie. So JB, Jace, both of you, stand right there in front of Cap Gates Arena's announcer stand. We got 73 silver dollars to drop down to you. And I want to know this, Crossit, did you have fun on the Crossit Riding Club Pro Rodeo? Well, it's on behalf of the Crossit Riding Club, thank you for coming out to celebrate 73 years.
Well, we're finally finished rodeoing for another year. I'm sitting here waiting on traffic to let me get out of the arena so I can get home and get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow we'll go out and see what Ree's been doing in the MT while I've been at the rodeo. For now, good night. Oh yes, she was here, positively, all week long while I was working at the rodeo. And I tell you, she left a mess. But you know what? That's okay, it's okay. It was worth it. I mean, just take a look at these walls, how clean they are. The paneling's been removed down the back half of both sides, all the way across the back of the MT. All that's left now is for us to come in next, take out our window frames, and remove the paneling that's around them and above them. And then we'll have to get the rest of the wet bath out so that we can access the wall behind it and get that paneling off. So, it's almost done. I gotta tell you, she did a terrific job with this. I'm looking forward to getting in here next week working with her to get all that job done, and maybe she can show me some of her secrets about how to get the paneling off the wall. But that's for next week. As for this week, that's going to be it for the MT and me. We need you to subscribe if you haven't already. Our subscription rate keeps on climbing. We're getting closer to 100. Help us out if you can, okay? And don't forget to like this video and follow us on Facebook, the MT and me. Until next time, I'm Russ. Ree's back behind the camera, and we'll talk later.